your little one can't seem to keep calm. And you are confused, thinking how you can channel this energy to the right direction. We get you, and here's all you need. Turn the learn into fun with 10 fun learning activities. These are not just any activity we tell you. These are activities that will both entertain your child and will educate them, basically putting their overwhelming energy to right direction. These simple activities for 4 years old can be easily made fun and interesting. Children delve deeper into such activities naturally while learning new skills. So here goes the 10 learning activity ideas for your 4-year-olds. Activity number 1. Numbers into art. A great activity for preschoolers who love to count and explore around painting and colors. You can easily design this by mapping out an animal or cartoon through a follow-along ascending number trail. By creating artistic expressions through numbers, kids can learn the power of freehand design through math. Activity number 2. Dream drawing. Children can draw out their dreams and make stories around the playful characters they think of. It's a great morning activity. You can keep the crayons and blank sheets ready alongside the bed for them to get right onto it. This is very helpful to make little ones more aware of their emotions, feelings, and thoughts. Activity number 3. Finding the flower. A fantastic learning activity for the visual cortex of the child's brain while enhancing their object recognition skills. You can simply show pictures or images of a few flowers, encouraging children to find them in the garden or playgrounds. Also, reward them with extra points if they recall the name, distinctive characteristics, and use of the flower in daily life. Activity number 4. Matching numbers. One of the most sought after fun activities for 3 to 4-year-olds. Also, it can be played in groups as well. You can create a matching answer pair or a riddle-based quiz with them, having to find the answer hidden inside commonly found places. This combines hide and seek with mathematics questions as the base clue. Activity number 5. Air, water, and land. Most common activity revolving around the distinctive categories that kids can refer to while understanding the world around them. The activity involves 3 containers, and they are encouraged to find examples of air, water, and land to fill up the containers accordingly. You can also teach children the difference between mass and energy through this activity. Activity number 6. Teaching the 5 senses. Making the little ones understand the human body parts and their functions is a critical life skill. You can draw a giant face on a chart paper and leave out the 5 sense organs from the illustration. Children are then encouraged to draw or place the 5 sense organs one by one on the face. It is one of the top priorities for parents who are looking for engaging activities for the young ones. Activity number 7. Giant number in tracing. Make your younger kids more comfortable with numbers by preparing a giant tracing sheet for their favorite digits. This activity involves starting with a number that the child loves, such as their birthday, their age, or the current date. You can create a large format chart paper traced layout expressing the pre-selected number. Kids love this activity as they can freely trace and color into these numbers while becoming more confident about mathematics. Activity number 8. Unscrambling words. It's a fun activity for children who love to categorize everyday activities, objects, and items using words. It is a perfect learning activity demonstrating how to use the right word at the right time. Give your children an assortment of jumbled letters and a few riddles. They can sort through the scrambled letters and find the right answers. For example, what is India's capital? What is the name of your school? And what's the plural of a goose? This is precisely why adults love playing Scrabble. Activity number 9. House Treasure Hunt. A fun activity popular among energetic kids who like to walk around, explore, and solve problems. It can be designed considering the child's favorite activities, experiences, and objects. Kids can be asked to draw a map of their house and allocate different rooms within the rough blueprint. Different questions can be attached to each room of the house, and kids can find their favorite toy or favorite book in a location with a, say, giant X on it. Now they need to find the location of the giant X by answering a few critical questions around topic such as language, mathematics, current affairs, etc. Activity number 10. Alphabet trees. One of the highly preferred activities for 3-year-olds, as it involves hours of fun designing and recreating a magical tree. The alphabet tree contains all the alphabets of the English language as leaves on the trees, with fruits representing commonly used words. Children are encouraged to create their fruit representations using the words framed in the alphabet tree. It is also used to represent feelings and emotions for shy children who are yet not confident enough to participate in school activities. Parents who participate in these activities actively find their children to be happier and engaged for longer periods. So these were 10 simple activities for 3 to 4-year-olds to engage them in a productive manner. Try them out and let us know if your child liked it or loved it. Comment below.